by Elizabeth Kung follows a mischievous black cat named No Fuzzball. No Fuzzball is beloved by her family. Everywhere she goes, they scream, "No Fuzzball!" What a great way to be greeted. But when the family goes away, No Fuzzball thinks they may have left her for good. She does a little redecorating in anticipation of their return, and when the family comes home, No Fuzzball thinks that perhaps they have even forgotten her name. But who could forget a cat like No Fuzzball? This is an adorably illustrated story of a cat that reminds me so much of my own. I hope you'll try it out and fall in love with No Fuzzball too.
Hello friends! Do you like to read books by Dave Pilkey? Like Dog Man and Captain Underpants? Do you like graphic novels that are illustrated with graphic pictures? Well, you are going to love this book, Cat Kid Comic Club by Dave Pilkey. You're going to see how Petey the cat teaches frogs how to illustrate comics. You want to see if this story can make you laugh the way it made me laugh? You can check it out at the library, or you can download it onto your device from Overdrive. Happy reading!
We've been talking a lot about cats today, but this next story features a special kind of cat, a tiger. And this tiger is extraordinary. When You Trap a Tiger by Ty Keller is a beautiful story of magic and family. Winner of the 2021 Newbery Medal, When You Trap a Tiger follows Lily and her family as they move to live with her sick grandmother, her Halmoni. Halmoni is sick, and Lily must make a deal with a magical tiger to try to improve her grandmother's health. But you should never trust a tiger. A heartfelt blending of Korean folktales and realistic fiction, When You Trap a Tiger is a great book for grades 3 to 7.
Hello, cat lovers! This book, How to Speak Cat by Aileen Alexander Newman and Gary Weitzman, helps you figure out what your cat is trying to tell you with its cat poses and its body language and the way it wags its tail. Have you ever wondered what your cat is trying to tell you? Well, this book will help you. There are also tips from the veterinarian in the book in little square captions. This is the perfect read for you and your cat. Happy reading!
Have you ever wanted to dress like a cat? With a few simple low-cost supplies, you can make your own wearable cat ears, like mine.
First, you will need a headband. A plastic headband would work fine. Next, you'll need some heavyweight paper. I'm using scrapbook paper, but you won't need a lot. On my paper, I'm going to draw a cat's ear shape. It's sort of like a rounded triangle. This will leave you with a double ear connected by a strip of paper. Don't forget that you'll need two. Using glue, you will cover one side of the cat's ear pattern. And then fold the ear with the headband sandwich between both sides. After you put the second ear on, you'll let your headband dry and you'll be ready to dress like a cat in no time.
We hope you are excited to check out some of the cat books that we talked about today.
Support public libraries. Like, share, and subscribe for more great videos.